What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today we're making Jamaican peanut punch. The peanut punch that you can buy in the store from a box. When I was growing up, they used to make that so rich and nutritious. I know it's just like water. So let me teach you how to make your own rich, nutritious peanut punch from scratch. Now in Jamaica, there's another peanut punch where they blend up peanuts, supplement, milk, Guinness and all that. That's not what we're making today. What we're making is the actual peanut punch that you can buy in the store from a box. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. Now you can buy your peanuts from the store that's already parched and stripped off the red shell. But like I said, we're doing this from scratch. So I preheated my oven 350. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need a can of evaporated milk if you're making this amount. If you're making more, you need more of the ingredients. You're going to need a can of sweetened condensed milk. You're going to need some salt, some cinnamon, some vanilla, and some nutmeg. Now, I'm aware that some people may use coconut milk, but I've never used coconut milk, but I'm pretty sure it can be used. But I would advise you, if you're using coconut milk, bring it to a boil and put it down to cool, because I grew up learning that raw coconut milk will give you diarrhea. So I don't practice using coconut milk raw. I always cook my coconut milk. Bake your peanuts for 7 to 10 minutes and leave it to cool. Strip the red skins off. You can do this by rubbing it between your palms or just use one hand. Or if you're outside, you can just shake it and blow out the red shell. But what I do, I like to keep the red shellings so I can use them for tea or even some porridge or something like that, because that has great health benefits. It may take you a little while, but it's not too much work. Believe me, and it's totally worth it. Then I throw my stripped peanut into the blender, added a little salt, added a can of evaporated milk, added some of the sweetened condensed milk, probably about a half of it. And then your spices, your vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg. I blended in the Ninja for a minute, but it's going to depend on the blender that you have. So just blend it until it's smooth. And I'd like to take this time to remind you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. I love you guys. Like I said, just put it in the blender and just blend for a minute. It's that easy. Then you're going to need a cheesecloth. I would recommend the cheesecloth bag because it's way easier to use. However, if you decide to get the regular cheesecloth, make sure you get some good cheesecloth, because otherwise it's gonna be like a mess. When you're squeezing, the pulp is gonna be coming through the holes, and that's what happened to me. Do not buy this cheesecloth that I showed you in the video. I don't know if I showed it to you, but mine is Mainstay from Walmart and it's terrible. The holes are just too big, even though I doubled it, and it slides a lot. So I think a cheesecloth bag would be perfect, because you could spread the mouth of the bag over your container that you're going to strain it into and easily strain it. I kind of struggle straining this all by myself. I actually needed help. And since I didn't have help, I decided to just use my little clips that I use for bags and just clip it down. And then I strained it and it was okay. But like I said, the holes were too big. I couldn't squeeze it as dry as I wanted to. And the pulps that are left over, nobody waste them there, no. Don't throw them away. You can use it for porridge, or you can do the other peanut punch that I was telling you about, that you use Guinness and milk and those things. You can use it for that because that's good pulp. It's just that we're not making that kind of punch. We're making the actual peanut punch, like peanut juice pretty much. And that's it. It's that easy. All I did from here was just stir it up with a spoon. You can have it just like this at room temperature. You can serve it over ice, or you can put it in your fridge or freezer and let it cool down however you like it. Rich and thick. You have no need to buy that expensive little box or little can of peanut punch anymore. That is just watered down, and this is so quick and easy. I was also doing a TikTok, so excuse my phone filming. Because I have time left, I want to give you a couple reminders. One, remember not to burn your peanut. So keep an eye on it. Don't just put it in there and go well with it, because they will burn easy because they toast real quick. Next thing, don't throw away your peanut pulps after you're done squeeze it out. Use it to make porridge. Yes, even though you have it sweetened, use it make porridge. You probably don't even have to sweeten your porridge again after you use this. Next thing, get a good cheesecloth. I would personally recommend a cheesecloth bag because those are pretty easy to use, simpler to use. Another reminder, you can add more than 1 cup of water. I actually could have added 2 cups of water to this mixture that I have here. One more, you really don't need water. If you don't want no water in there because you think you want it well potent, you not have to add no water to it. You don't have to add any water, but the water doesn't take away from the flavor and the richness of it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload. Mwah!